স্টার্ট করলে তো শুরু না আর কি দেখবো হ্যাঁ শুরু দিতে হইতেছে বিভিন্ন গেছে অলরেডি এনে দাম হতে যাই চলতেছে
Hello everyone, welcome to my live stream, and here I'm Hiba with you. So here today I will talk about our market position. As you can see, this is our BTC market position. So today I will talk about our BTC market, and that is our BTC 4-hour market chart, and here's the 1-day market chart of BTC. So BTC, according to 1-day market chart, this is in sale position, and market price is here going on 83,195.42. And BTC 1-day market, according, this was the previous high, and its market price was in 97,800. Okay, so here was the previous high, which market price was in 97,946.24. And mine, thank you so much for comment here. Okay, so here this was a BTC. Okay, so here is the BTC 1-day market chart, and BTC, according to 1-day market chart, right now this is in sale position. Okay, and everyone, just let me know if you have any question about our market or anything else, and I will definitely give you answer. Okay, I will definitely try to give you answer. So here is our market position, and market is right now in sale position, as you can see here. Okay, so today, according to our BTC market, this was the 1-day market chart, and here is the 4-hour market chart of BTC here. So BTC, according to 4-hour market chart, this market is in right now trying to create here bullish candle. So let's talk about our 2-day BTC market. So BTC price showing a downward bias today. Here you can see, if I go to the 1-day market chart, then you will be good confirmation about this market. So here you can see trading around 82 to 83k with weakness from yesterday's levels and lower intraday swings. So according to market, BTC is under pressure today. The major exchanges showing prices clustered around 83,000 range on BTC USDT chart. The pair is down roughly 6% over the past 24-hour and near multi-week lows, with current 24-hour price ranges mostly 83.3k to 89.8k depending on exchange liquidity. So this was our BTC 1-day market position. According to 1-day, right now its chances has to came up to here, break out this low, which market price would be 80,000 to 82,000. So here is the 4-hour market chart. And according to 4-hour market chart, this is right now trying to create here bullish candle. Okay, and its market price is going on 82,961.96. So thanks to you all, my dear friend, for joining my live stream. Okay, so here I was talking about our 2 days BTC market price. Okay, so here I was talking about our BTC, and here the pair is down roughly 66% over, and 24-hour price ranges mostly 83.3k to 89.8k depending on exchange liquidity. This line has broken several recent technical support levels, including the 85 to 86k zone, turning them into resistance. Big Shadow, hello, welcome here, and thank you so much for joining my live stream. And Mahmoud Khan 90, hello. Okay, so here was our BTC 4-hour market, and according to BTC 4-hour market, right now this is creating here a bearish candle, and market price is here going on 82,824. So BTC is under pressure today, with major exchanges showing prices clustered around the 83,000 range on BTC or USDT charts. The pair is down roughly 6% over the past 24 hours and near multi-week lows, with current 24-hour prices ranges mostly 83.3k to 89.8k depending on exchange liquidity. And mine, okay. Okay, so this was our BTC 4-hour market chart. According to BTC, that was the previous, sorry, BTC 4-hour market chart, that was the previous high, and it's okay, and its market price was in 97,943.08, and that's the low, and market is in sale position here. You all can see here, and price is right now going on 82,814.31. And here is the BTC 1-hour market chart, and BTC according to 1-hour market chart right now, this is also in sale position. So according to 1-hour market chart, its maximum chances right now came up to this liquidity, which market price will be 81,676.05, and माइन ये आपकी छोटा भाई है. येलो टी शर्ट. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream. And little princess, hello, welcome here. Thank you for joining my live stream. कैसे हो आप little princess? And mine. Okay, so here I was talking about her VDC. Okay, so here this was a VDC 1 hour market chart, and thanks to you everyone for joining my live stream. Okay, so this was the 1 hour market chart, and here is the 15-minute market chart. And according to 15-minute market chart of BTC, right now this is also in sale position. So I already talked about our BTC market, and when I started my live I already told you BTC price showing a downward bias today, trading around 82 to 83k with weakness from yesterday's levels and power lower intraday swings. Okay, so that is all about our BTC. So right now let's go to check another token. So right now I will check about our Ethereum USDT. Okay, so here is the Ethereum 15-minute market chart. Let's start it from 1 day. So here is the Ethereum 1 day market chart, and Ethereum in 1 day market chart right now is in okay. So right now I will talk about our Ethereum. Okay, so here is our Ethereum 1 day market chart, and Ethereum according to 1 day market chart right now this market is in safe position, and market price is right now going on 2677. So Ethereum currently with a slight drop from the previous close, trading with intraday swings roughly between 2700 and 2850. Ethereum is trading lower today. The broader crypto markets of recent reports show Ethereum declining around 6.6%, with Bitcoin and other major coins also down. Aimed markets trades and risks of sentiment. So here this is the Ethereum 1 day market chart, and according to 1 day market chart of Ethereum, that was the previous high and its market price was in 3453.30, and it's in still going to down, and its market price is right now going on 2666.62. And I'm greatly hoping that this market will right now break out 2619.35. Okay, and here is the 4 hour market chart of Ethereum here, and this is our Ethereum 4 hour market chart. And right now Ethereum in 4 hour, this is in sale position. According to Ethereum 4 hour market chart, that was the previous high and its market price was in 3401.07. And right now that this is the Ethereum 1 hour market chart, and Ethereum in 1 hour, this is also in sale position. Here market price is going on 2655.90. So here Ethereum prices in 2654 and slightly down. Trend is weak, bearish, intraday, and drivers macro pressure crypto sell of risk of sentiment. Okay, so this was our Ethereum market position. This is in sale also. So right now let's go to check SUI USDT. Okay, so here is the SUI USDT, and that's the 15-minute market chart of SUI. And SUI in 15 minutes right now is in also sale position, and market price is here going on 1.2441. So current SUI market as of today's data, SUI price is 1.2380 right now. It's going on, and the token is showing a moderate move, 4.7% on some fades over the last 24 hours. Price range today's intraday move is roughly 1.27 to 1.36. So this is our SUI USD 15-minute market, and SUI in 15-minute market position, this is in sale position. And according to 15-minute market, that was the previous high, and its market price was in 1.4255, and this is in sale position as you can see here. And if I check the 1 day market chart of SUI here, so that is our 1 day market chart of SUI. Okay, so here is our SUI USDT 1 day market chart, and SUI in 1 day market chart. This is also in sale position. Market price right now going on 1.2384. Okay, around 1.35 to 1.40. Barriers will ceiling interest could rise, and the 1.25 reason or lower would be key intraday levels where buyers might step in. And so is slightly positive in the last 24-hour, modest upside pressure today. Okay, and Mahmoud Khan by an Allah Hafiz. So here I was talking about a word SUI, and that is also a 1 day market chart which I was talking about. And here you can see this was the liquidity, and market is already break out this, and right now the chances are to going to more down. So let's see. And here market price is going on 1.2433, and according to SUI 1 day market chart, that was the previous high, and its market price was in 2.0207. And here is the 4 hour market chart of SUI here, and according to 4 hour market chart, okay, so according to 4 hour market chart, right now this is also in sale position. So according to market, I already told you this market were going to be sale position, and I'm greatly hoping this market will right now came up to 1.1165. So here the SUI token is showing a moderate move, 4.7% on some fits over the last 24 hours, and its price range intraday move is roughly 1.27 to 1.36, and its market capture around 4.8 billion with heavy trading volume showing decent liquidity. In terms of SUI, specifically the approximate conversion rate close to today's price means one SUI. Okay, so here I already talked about SUI, BTC, and Ethereum, and right now let's go to check our WCT USDT. Okay, so here's the WCT USDT, and that is the 1 day market chart of WCT, and it's right now according to 1 day market chart, it's trying to create here a bullish candle, but I think right now this market will going to be more down, and its price is right now going on 0.07136. So here our WCT price today at 0.07 to 0.09 USDT, and per WCT pending on the exchange. And here it's short term price behavior. Last week's data indicates minor fluctuation in this low price range with daily moves of a few percent up or down, typical for smaller altcoin with tight trading bands. And WCT has noticeable but modest volume levels, indicating active but not extremely high liquidity compared with major tokens. This often means higher relative volatility in short periods. Okay, so here is our WCT one day market chart, and according to one day market chart of WCT right now, here you can see this is trying to create here bullish candle. So market price is going on 0.07156, and I think right now the chances has to come up to 0.09 or something. So let's see. And if I check the 4-hour market chart, so that's the 4-hour market chart. And if you check the 4-hour market chart of WCT, so here this is right now trying to create here a bearish candle also. So I think right now this market will going to more little bit down, and then again can be going to buy position. So according to 4-hour market chart, that was the previous high, and its market price was in 0.11441. And Riyad Hassan, hi, thank you for joining here. Okay, so here market context of WCT, correlation with broader crypto moves. Like most altcoin, WTC's price action tends to move with general crypto sentiment rising in bullish periods and sliding when overall risk appetite falls. So according to our market, our WCT's today's price range is in going on 0.07 to 0.09, and it's relatively flat, modest moves within this range in the last few sessions. And overall crypto sentiment, liquidity, and specific WCT ecosystem developments, if you had like. Okay, so here this was the WCT's 4-hour market chart, and according to market, I think right now this can be break out this line and then again going to a buy position according to market. Okay, so this was a WCT 4-hour market chart, and here is the 1-hour market chart of WCT. And WCT according to 1-hour market chart, this is here you can see right now creating here bearish candle also. So here you can see I already drew here that this market will right now going to going to down, and then okay, so right now I think this market movement will be like that. After coming to this here, then this market will definitely going to break out this liquidity here, and its market price would be 0.07402. So that is our WCT 1 hour market position, and according to 1 hour market of WCT, that was the previous high, and its market price was in 0.07563. So that is all about our WCT, and this was our 1 hour market uh, position. So I already talked about this, and here is the 15-minute market chart, and this is also in sale position. So I'm greatly hoping that this market will right now came up to here, which market price would be 0.06815, and then again going to a buy position. So right now let's go to check about our Sol USDT. Okay, so here is the Sol USDT, and that's a 15-minute market chart. So let's start it from 1 day. So that is our Sol USDT 1 day market chart. So Solana is trading around 115 to 116 USDT today, showing a slight downward move over the past 24 hours. And according to 24-hour price range, roughly 113 to 123 USDT, indicating moderate volatility between support and resistance levels. And here you can see this is the Sol 1 hour market chart, and according to 1 hour, this is in sale position, and this was my target, as you can see here, and already break out this low. So right now I think this will go a little bit more down, so to this liquidity, here you can see according to previous market. Okay, so here here's the liquidity, so it can be came up to here, and then can be going to buy, but right now this is in sale position. As you can see here, market price is going on 115.64. Price is slightly down today, reflecting broader weakness in crypto market. Weekend trends to carry over to altcoin like Sol. Trading volume appears elevated, suggesting active participation even during the pullback. Sol's price has been below recent high and showing more sideways to bearish short-term behavior with an upward market downturn, larger crypto market sentiment. And here the key level to watch for this Solana for today. Short term support around 112 to 115 USDT, where buyers are stepping in trading. Okay, so here this is in sale position, as you all can see here right now. So this could be the market position of Sol USDT according to 1 day market chart. And Sol tends to follow Ethereum moves when BTC and Ethereum soften. Altcoins like Solana often see correlated downside or slower upside momentum, volatility, and liquidity. Altcoins typically show larger relative swings in price, especially during periods where market sentiment is mixed or risk appetite is reduced. Okay, and this was the previous high of this market, and its market price was in 148 point. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so that was the previous high of our Solana 1 day market chart, and its market price was in 149.34. So here you can see 15 minute to 1 hour near 40 to 45 week momentum not oversold yet, and below zero bearish pressure still present, and support zones 112.114 USDT. Here's 112.43, and above this 126 only if BTC recovers. Okay, so Sol is following BTC and Ethereum closely today. If BTC dumps, Sol can drop fast. If BTC stabilizes, Sol may range sideways. Okay, and now let's go to check 4-hour market chart. So that is the 4-hour market chart, and according to 4 hour, this is right now creating here bearish candle, and market price is right now going on 116.16. So here that's the entry point 114 point to 115. Okay, where is 114? Okay, so there's the 114, and TP 118.5 here. Okay, so here is 118.5, and TP to 121.8. So 121.8 are here to middle of this candle, just up to here. I use this if only if price holds above 114 and BTC is stable. And here also a short setup, safer if market week. So interval, you can take 120.0 to 121 stop loss, 124.2 take profit, 116.5, and TP2 will be in 112.5. Okay, so here this was our Seoul University 4 hour market chart. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream and for supporting me, my dear all friend. So here I was talking about our Seoul University. That's the 4 hour market chart of Seoul here, and I was told you NT 120 and take profit where we you will say TP. So this is strong resistance zone, good for rejection or and risks. Hire some risks with low leverage, 5x to 10x max. Okay, so here you can see I was talking about our Seoul University, and right now you can set your leverage maximum 5x to 10x, and here you can see I write here, and if BTC breaks major support, prefer short, book partial profit at TP1, move SL to entry. Okay, so I already told about our Seoul USD. Right now let's go to check LTC USDT. Okay, so there is our, just wait, so there is our LTC USDT, and that's the 4 hour market chart of LTC, and I will definitely start from 1 day. Okay, so that is our 1 day market chart of LTC here, and LTC according to 1 day market chart right now. Oh my god, doesn't say position here. You can see this was my previous draw, and it's actually breakout my this draw, and its prices right now going on 65.29. Okay, so today Litecoin, LTC is trading around 64 to 70 USDT depending on the exchange price feed, and its 24-hour price range 63.2 to 70, and LTC slightly mixed to down on some fades, low single digits. Okay, so here LTC tends to follow Bitcoin and broader crypto sentiment, while BTC or the overall market weakens. LTC usually sees pressure too, and volume remains active but not explosive, meaning price action is driven more by macro crypto flows than token specific. LTC has been trading in a range around 63 to 70. No strong breakout yet. Okay, so here you can see there is no strong breakout yet, and if this market break out this, and then this can be going to a buy position, but right now this is going too slowly, and here you can see, so that means right now it has more chances to going to sell position. But according to 4-hour market time frame, this is right now trying to create here a bullish candle, and market prices going on 65.26. So if you need quick support and rest and informal, here you can see it support in its support area 62 to 64 and resistance area 68 to 72. And these are useful level zones for short term trading or watching how price reacts intraday. Okay, so LTC price today 64 to 70, and it's trend sideways to mildly bearish. Okay, so here is our LTC 4-hour market chart, which is right now creating here bullish candle, and according to market, I think right now this can be came up to this high, which market price would be 66.44. So that is the low, and if you check the 50% area of this previous high and previous low, so this will be came to here. Okay, this is the 50% area, as you can see here. So right now our chances has to came up to here, so according to previous high and previous low. So let's see what's to our market right now, and then again can be going to downtrend. So let's see. And our LTC trend sideways to mild bearish neutral short term, and its key level support near 62 to 64, resistance near 68 to 72. Overall market sentiment and BTC correlation. Okay, so I would like to thank you everyone for joining my live stream. So I'm closing my live stream, and today I have already talked about LTC, BTC, Sol, Ethereum. So I hope this will be useful for you. Okay, so let's see you again in my next live session. Till then, take care, and Allah Hafiz everyone. Bye bye.